Hello everyone, welcome back to another of my Friday edition videos. Thankfully I have some time to sit down and get this done properly the way it should be done. So today I'm going to give you 3 amazing tips that are going to fix your sketching problems and you're going to be so grateful for them. So check them out. When we start sketching cars, it's very difficult to get all the proportions and all the lines correct. So to get them right, sometimes the car looks short, sometimes it looks long. We did a video of how to always try to make the car a little wider so it looks better. If you haven't seen that, check it out on my videos. But today I'm going to teach you a beautiful way to get someone to help you with your sketches. And it's amazing because that someone is going to be you. So when you have a sketch, we all do it. We used to do them all the time. I do them a little bit less lately, thankfully, but you have a sketch where I have a lot of you guys submitting sketches and something's just a little off and you can't tell what is it, right? So you see this sketch, it's like, something's bothering me. When you're sketching, the longer you stare at it, the less capable of recognizing your mistakes you are. It's really hard to understand what's happening. So when you have one of the sketches and you've been staring at it like crazy, your brain got used to it and it has some mistakes, but you can't tell what they are. This is when you call a friend or someone to help you out, say, hey, what do you see wrong with this car? The thing is that we don't always have someone around. And when we have someone around, maybe they don't know anything about drawing or cars or how to proportion them correctly. So then the best help that you can get is yourself. And this is going to be amazing. I'm going to give you 3 different ways to do this they just changed my life with the sketching. So number 1, when you see a car and your brain already has that image engraved and you can't see what's wrong, you turn it around, you put it against the light. Let me see if you can see it. If you go against like a bright light and you put it up and you see it from that side, it's magic. It's just by seeing the car rotated completely the other way, you're gonna see some mistakes that just jump out to you like super obvious. You'll see that the tire is a little bit short, that the windshield is too tall. Like you're gonna start seeing all these mistakes that you couldn't see just by looking at it straight the way that you drew it because you got used to it. So the other great way to do it is you grab your sketch, you hold it up and you look at yourself in the mirror. So just go to your bathroom, closet, wherever you have a mirror, and just stand and look at it. And it's exactly the same effect as when you look at it from the backside. So if you don't have like a bright light, you can look at the sunlight or something to be able to see through your sketch and see all those mistakes. But the other way is just stand in front of a mirror, and when you see that image mirrored and flipped, it just magically gives you everything that is wrong with it. It's just amazing. And the third one that I'm going to tell you is distance. Distance creates kind of similar effect. So when you have a sketch that you're not convinced that something's off and you can't fix it, you go and you put it as far away as possible as you can. Just grab some tape and hang it on the wall. If it's a wall that has less sketches like mine, it's gonna help a lot. But you just have like a flat wall, just the way I hung it all the way back here, and go look at it from far away, a lot of the major defects are gonna come out. The way I figured that one out is when I was in school, we would just show up to class, which was a big classroom. We'll put them all on the wall, all the sketches that we did over the week. And then you were perfectly proud of your sketch. You thought it was perfect. And as soon as you put it on the wall and you walked a few feet away and you look at it, everything jumps out and you see that it's too short, it's too tall, it's too wide, that the tires are out of perspective. It looks like a suspension's broken. Everything is gonna come out when you see it at a distance. 1, you put it against the light and you see it from behind. 2, you put it in front of you and you look at yourself in the mirror. 3, you put it at the distance all the way, like in the back wall of your room, and you look at it from far away. This is gonna change your life, believe me. So I hope this helps you. Let me know in the comments how this magic worked for you. You're gonna appreciate it a lot. And I'll see you guys next week.